meatus, what you have? In the superior meatus, we have a opening. So what are the openings? What opening we are having? Posterior ethmoidal sinus. Okay? So remember, in the superior meatus, we have the opening for posterior ethmoidal sinus. Here.
The superior colon. Okay.
Next, in the middle.
Middle ethmoidal sinus.
So in the middle, there are 4 openings. What are the openings? One is the middle ethmoidal sinus, and then anterior ethmoidal sinus, frontal sinus, and maxillary sinus.
Oh, فتحات هذه. Okay.
So this is clear?
Yes.
You should remember the openings are where they are present. And then in the inferior meatus here.
ما شاء الله الجو.
This is inferior.
يا حركات.
This is inferior concave. So in the exam we will ask what is the opening. So you have to write
What the structure and
nasolacrimal duct. So now you tell where is the nasolacrimal duct. Show me.
Is lacrimal.
بسألك
Take
انصر
the
انصر.
skull.
يلا يا قلبي ها هدية لك يلا نوار.
So yes. So that is the lacrimal bone.
Good boy.
That is the lacrimal bone. So this nasolacrimal duct, it opens here.
It's the tears and
Yeah, whatever the tears. So when you cry,
flow there.
or when you cry, what will happen? So when you cry, you will also get the water in the nose.
Yes, yes, yes.
So everything they have a connection.
And the maxillary sinus.
Yes, maxillary sinus, frontal sinus, all the sinus they open here. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is clear here. Superior concave, middle concave, and inferior concave, and then the openings. So what is this? What you are seeing?
Spine,
What is this?
Where is it? This is
spinoidal
pharynx.
sinus.
Pharynx.
No, this is
Spinoidal
the
sinus.
A sinus,
Spinoidal.
sphenophyte.
Auditory tube. Your
Sphenoid.
ear.
What?
Your
شو بقى؟
opening of your ear.
Are you sure?
Oh.
From here, it is the opening here.
كيف تنزل كذا؟
واو.
اوكي
كذا
كيف
يعني.
تنزل كذا
See how the
Okay.
God created.
Yes, yes.
The brain.
لا هي.
This is the creation of the God.
سبحان الله.
Okay.
كبير.
So this is the opening of auditory tube. From here to here. Okay. So anything?
اوه هذه هي الفتحة شوف. شم علينا شم.
And somebody asking for the bleeding from the nose.
Yes.
Who was asking?
ممكن يسوي نزيف.
لا لا خلوا محمد.
No,
محمد.
for coronavirus, I think, if you know.
Ah,
Go to the gym.
give me the. You have the paper.
حق ايش تبغى؟
Or else I will show here.
أي صفحة. أي سلايد.
كيف لخبط؟
أي واحدة عشان نفكها. فكها هنا. فكها يا زلمة.
كيش؟
هذه أي واحدة شوفها.
Okay. So this is the blood supply. What we are showing here. This is the superficial. This is the deep. This is the deep. Okay. So we have another blood supply for the nose
You already.
above this. This is deep and above this also we have a blood supply. What is that blood supply? That blood supply for the nasal septum. There is a blood supply for this nasal septum. Okay, what happens there? So here, if you have a, this is the nose. Okay. Now what happens? So these are, this is also one blood vessel, and here there is another blood vessel and another blood vessels. They will make branches.
دكتور
So what is this area? This area is called little area of hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means what? Hemorrhage means bleeding. So what happens? So when you put your finger in the nose,
Continuously it will bleed.
yes. So this blood
Severe
vessels,
bleeding.
these blood vessels, so they will make a one junction.
Yeah.
So this comes and joins here, this comes and joins here. So here it makes one big circle. So what happens in the Ishara? All the
Yes.
vehicles come and joins, what will happen?
Accident.
So it will make an accident. So that is why, so when you put your finger in the nose,
Will make accident.
if you have a nails,
Alhamdulillah.
and then you will clean your nose, then the bleeding will start.
ترى
That is why it is called epistaxis, nasal bleeding. So usually this vessel, so they are inside, so they are supplying the lateral wall of the nail.
It is sensitive.
Yeah. That is why our parents don't put your finger in the nose. Don't
Yes.
put your finger in the nose. And then what they will teach in the school? Trim your nails.
Yes.
Why they will tell? So if you put your finger, so you will damage.
And scratch the
Yeah.
wall.
Usually, you and me, everyone.
Yes.
So we will put our finger and clean. So what happens? If the nail is there, it will
Scratch you.
scratch. We will scratch the nose, and then
Bleed.
bleeding will start.
So it could make a scar inside the nose.
No, nothing. It will stop. Automatically it will stop. So if you have something, if you press, it will stop. Then
Okay.
one more thing. So then
So they are
مثلت يطلع لك صوت.
in the bladder.
boxers. It is most common in the boxers.
Yes.
So for everyone. So if you without seeing, if you collide each other, suddenly there
Yes.
will be bleeding. from
Dr.
the
Abdullah
nose.
play boxing in the weekend.
Okay. This is, you got it.
الله يعطيك تليفون يا وحش.
That maybe you spend 2 or 3 days without sleeping. After that, you will smell maybe
ما شاء الله اكثر واحد